Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be starting some kitchen herbs. These herbs are going to be specifically used or kept indoors. They're not going to be planted outside. They're going to be kept in the kitchen once they are sprouted and growing well. So let's go ahead and get started. Excuse me. I always have issues. As soon as I turn on the camera, I am either like burping or clearing my throat. I don't know. Anyways, today I'm going to be starting some spicy glow basil seeds, rosemary, catnip, lettuce. This is actually going to go out into the spring garden. Some sage, fern leaf dill. This one is oregano, lettuce for outside, and then chives, garlic chives for indoors. So yes, I'm starting kitchen herbs, but I also have these two that I need to get started to go outdoors. So I'm just gonna knock them all out right here, right now. Okay, so let's get some soil. So let me move this over here actually. So these guys, they're all the same except these two are the same except for this one. So I'm actually gonna try these in these little pots right here and then sow probably about 5 to 6 seeds each. And then each herb will get its own pot and label, and the lettuce will get its own pot. So let's start with the herbs. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my tray. My cat is out there doing something. That's what I'm looking at, if you're wondering what I'm looking at. She's made a noise and jumped and did something weird. Okay, so let's just start with the, well actually I can do more. I'll just move that off of there. Now I have more space. I'll just go ahead and get all the soil set up. Okay, so let's start with these 8. Let's label first. Okay, so I'm going to start right here with the oregano. $2.25. Each herb will get its own pot. Alright, so let's see. One thing you want to make sure that you do is follow the planting instructions. It just makes things so much easier. Oh my gosh, the seeds are so small. Okay. Favorite. Alright, so let's do, where's my seed sorter? So the herbs and lettuces are all planted. I'm going to water them in. They should be up within 7 to 10 days. I followed the directions on each package as far as how deep to plant these. I tried to plant 2 seeds in each cell. Some of them may have gotten a few extra seeds just because they're so tiny and then they just fall out of your hands. But hopefully everything will be up soon, and I'll do an updated video for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer them.